Friends, I had committed to participate in your precursor to Indian Sustainable Development Conference of 2021 today in the afternoon. But as I have another political exigency, I will not be able to participate that time. Therefore, I am with you through this video link. This year, World Environment Day, we are observing, and the theme is biodiversity. As we all know, India, there are so many constraints of only 2.5% land, constraint of huge population of 16% human population of the world and 16% cattle population of the world. But still we have maintained biodiversity of 8%. World biodiversity is in India, with only 4% of rainwater resources. So India's culture ethos is to be one with nature. We are practically the only country which worships trees, which worships animals, birds, everybody. So we love nature, and our ethos is to live with nature. India in its CBD has decided to accept Nagoya Protocol and ABS, and we are implementing through Biological Diversity Act 2002, and we are on progress. More importantly, sustainable lifestyle is India's strong point. Probably we are among very few countries who are walking the talk on the issue of NDCs. We have put good targets on our own through our NDCs about reducing energy intensity, emission intensity, having renewable energy component in our installed capacity to the extent of 40%, to have 2.5 to 3 billion metric tons of carbon sequestration. We also have decided on sustainable lifestyle, climate-friendly growth path, climate change adaptation, climate finance, and technology and capacity building. So on all these accounts, TERI is our partner. We value this relationship, and I wish all the best for the main event, in which if you call me, I'll definitely be there. Thank you and all the best.